Welcome to our channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks.
Let's kick things off with a look at the big difference between Shopify and eBay. Shopify and eBay are giants of the e-commerce world. But although both platforms let you get your products online easily, they are very different solutions. Shopify is a tool that lets you build your own online store. But eBay is an online store, and a huge one at that. With billions of products on sale to over 130 million customers worldwide. When you sell on Shopify, it's like renting a space in which to set up your own store. But working with eBay is more like selling your goods in an enormous supermarket. With Shopify, you'll have more work to do to configure things the way you want. And to find customers. However, you'll have total control over everything. You can decide how your brand is presented, what your store looks like, how you market products, how you capture data, and the way you sell your goods. With eBay, your customer base is already there, but so is the competition. To continue the supermarket analogy, having a storefront on eBay is like having some shelf space in the supermarket aisle. Lots of people will walk past it, but will they reach out for one of your products? Or choose one from a different shelf? Now, both these ways of selling have their pros and cons. And in the rest of this video, I'm going to spell out the key ones for you. I'll start with the key reasons to use Shopify over eBay.
Shopify is better for building fully branded, standalone stores. When you sell on eBay, you're fairly limited in terms of how you can present your business. Although simple storefront customizations and product categorizations are possible with eBay, in general, your storefront is basically an eBay web page, and will look like one. Shopify, by contrast, gives you a lot of control over branding and user experience. A large range of templates is available, and these can be configured easily to match your brand. Multi-currency and multilingual features in Shopify allow you to further customize the user experience. So if you're looking for a very bespoke shopping experience tailored to a particular buyer persona, market, or location, Shopify offers you a wide range of options. 2. Shopify is better for drop shipping. Drop shipping is a way of selling goods where you don't make, store, or fulfill any products. You take an order via your online store, pass the details to a supplier, and they deliver the goods to your customer. Although you can technically drop ship with either Shopify or eBay, Shopify is a much better solution for this type of online selling. With Shopify, you can connect your store easily to a huge range of drop shipping apps and suppliers. This gives you a vast variety of options, vast range of selling opportunities. By contrast, eBay isn't an obvious solution for drop shipping. Its drop shipping policy places more restrictions on how you drop ship. There aren't many resources to help you start doing it, and the process for using the business model is more complicated. 3. Shopify is better for point-of-sale applications. Point-of-sale features let you sell goods not just online, but in physical locations too. For example, retail outlets, pop-up shops, market stalls, and at events. Shopify is a market leader when it comes to point of sale, giving you the hardware and software you need to sell in real-world locations, and all while keeping your offline and online sales data in sync. Although various workarounds and integrations are available for eBay that let you sell at point of sale, Shopify's POS features are considerably more extensive and more baked into the platform. 4. Shopify gives you full ownership of your customer data. When you sell with Shopify, you have complete control over data capture. You get access to your customers' email addresses, and you can encourage store visitors to join mailing lists. In short, when you run a Shopify store, how you communicate with your online store audience is entirely up to you. Things are more limited on eBay. When a purchase is made, you don't gain access to the buyer's personal email address. Instead, any communication has to take place through eBay's internal messaging system. Using the platform to build your own mailing list or engage in direct marketing outside of it is strictly against eBay's terms of service. 5. Shopify gives you better marketing tools. Shopify comes with 2 key marketing features that you don't get from eBay: a built-in blog and a free email marketing system. A blog is essential for SEO and content marketing applications, and a key tool for attracting organic traffic to your store. And Shopify's generous email marketing feature, which lets you send up to 10,000 newsletters a month for free, lets you capture data and spread the word about your products easily. So those are our key reasons to use Shopify over eBay. Next, I'm going to take a look at the reasons why eBay can be a better choice for you. To sum things up, we'd say that the main advantage of Shopify is the high level of control it gives you over your brand, your business, and, crucially, your customer data. The main advantage of eBay is the large, ready-made audience it gives you. Use Shopify if you want to create a professional standalone store, and eBay if you want to tap into an existing market or have a business strategy that's going to be particularly reliant on online auctions. That's not quite the end of the story. Although this comparison has looked at the differences between Shopify and eBay, it's important to understand that you don't have to use these platforms in a mutually exclusive. There are quite a lot of apps available in the Shopify App Store that let you sell on both Shopify and eBay. This means that you'll encounter a bit of a learning curve from Shopify that isn't really there on eBay. 3. eBay is a better solution for running online auctions. eBay started life as an online auctions tool. It's a go-to platform for both running online auctions and participating in them. Although apps do exist to help you create online auctions on Shopify, eBay's heritage and popularity as an online auction platform makes it more likely to deliver bids on your 4. eBay gives you more SEO opportunities. A key thing to note about eBay stores is that, unlike Shopify's, they present merchants with 2 search engine optimization opportunities. You can optimize your eBay storefront not just for Google, but eBay's own search engine. You can also optimize your eBay storefront for Google. You can optimize your eBay storefront not just for Google, but eBay's own search engine. You can optimize your eBay storefront not just for Google, but eBay's own search engine. You can optimize your eBay storefront not just for Google, but eBay's own search engine. You can optimize your eBay storefront not just for Google, but eBay's own search engine. This means that technically an eBay store presents you with more search audiences than a Shopify one and a larger pool of potential customers. So those are the main advantages that we think eBay has over Shopify. Next, I'm going to wrap things up to tap into an existing market or have a business strategy that's going to be particularly reliant on online auctions. But that's not quite the end of the story. Although this comparison has looked at the differences between Shopify and eBay, it's important to understand that you don't have to use these platforms in a mutually exclusive way. There are quite a lot of apps available in the Shopify App Store of both platforms to discover.